How to get return label on Shein. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll show you how to return an item on Shein application. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Shein application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now once you're in the homepage, tap on the Me section from the bottom right corner of the screen. You will find My Orders section, tap on it, click on View All. Here you will see your orders from Shein. Next to each order, you will find a return option. Click on it to proceed. And please note that the return label will only be available for the products that are eligible for return. If you don't see a return option for certain items, it may be because they are not eligible. Additionally, if you have purchased an item a long time ago, you might not be able to return it. Once you file a return, you can track it in the return section and you'll be done. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.